Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Flex against the DeWalt XR. This is top of the line. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Line DeWalt. This is the 887. So you guys see there, 887, my bad. And you got 3 speeds. This is a 6 amp hour battery, a flex volt battery. Obviously this tool is not flex volt, this tool is 20 volts. This one we got a 5 amp hour battery. It's a 24 volt tool. We're going to be running this on speed 3. It has 3 speeds. So speed 3. This one does have the quick eject here. So this is the top of the line model for this brand. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with some simple tests, and then we're going to move up to some harder tests. Let's start with the DeWalt. We got some screws, some 2-inch screws. We're going to go ahead and put those in. Quick insert collet. Alright, here's the next one. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. So pretty quick. So pretty fast. These tools are a little bit too much for this. You might want to, if you're going to be doing screws, you might want to slow down to speed 2. Doing some drilling. So 1/2 inch bit. I'm going to start with the DeWalt. Alright, we're going to move on with the Flex. 1, 2, 3, go. At the next test that we have, we got a 1.5 inch spade bit. We're gonna go ahead and try this. Alright, we're gonna move on to the Flex. We'll try this right here. Just do it right here, right beside 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, next thing we have a lag. This is a big lag. You're not supposed to be running this with these impact drivers. For this you need a bigger tool, but these tools should be able to do this. This is a 4-inch lag by half an inch by 4-inch lag. This is a 3/4 inch socket, impact socket. I'm gonna start with the DeWalt. One, two, three, go. Alright, so just a little bit more. Tune a bit. Alright, so it's in. So we're going to count all the way in. We're going to count that in. So just remove it. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got a temperature test. This one's 107, 112, 108, 113. So obviously it gets hotter back here. And this did cool a few minutes. 114. Okay, that's that one. 90, 80, 90, 95. So this one's running pretty cool. 95. So this one's running a little cooler. This one's running a little hotter. Yeah, guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. What do you guys think about these tools? Would you, if you're on the DeWalt line, would you move into the Flex? Obviously, I think this one's a little stronger. This one's more comparable to the Milwaukee Gen 3. We already did a video on those, so I'll see if I can link it up above on that corner for you guys. So check out those videos. I did 2 videos on those. But yeah, this is more comparable. I would say this is more comparable to the Milwaukee. I just wanted to compare this against this so you guys will see the difference in case, you know, you guys are planning or moving into this line. Obviously this thing's worth it. It's already proving itself over the years. I know there's a lot, you know, some of these out there, they are overheating and these do run hotter. But you know, for the type of work that these are designed to do, they should be able to do it no problem. This, like I said, this one's running a little hotter than this one. Let me know down in the comment section, what would you guys buy into Flex, or would you guys stay with your Milwaukee or DeWalt? I don't know the results yet because I haven't until I edit this video. But I felt that this one was stronger, was faster than this one. But this one obviously did everything really well. We already know this one's capable of doing it, no problem. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.